What's up, warriors? Welcome to another Bitcoin price update. Yesterday, I was not able to make a video because my lights were off, the internet was off. I don't know what was going on. Discord was off, Spotify was off. I don't know what was happening, right? But we're here today. We're ready to rock, trading the charts. We're on. Okay, check this out. I was telling you guys from last time, right? Hey, listen, this is major resistance right here, okay? And if we cannot break through this level and hold above it, we're gonna break to the downside. Well, that happened, right? Came back down, then we came back to these levels here, right? And we were here for a few days, right? We were here from around the fifth or so, 4.5 to around the eighth and a half, right? From there, as you can see, right, it was trading in this range. Boom, up, down, up, down, up, down. And I told you guys, you trade the range until it breaks, right? It's either gonna break to the upside or to the downside, right? So if we would have come to the downside, of course, we would have moved to a massive move to the downside and start going back to this Fibonacci's levels, and then we had this support below us, right? But what happened is it was an amazing move yesterday, and we end up breaking to the upside. And all this resistance, like the yearly BWAP, the daily BWAP, the monthly BWAP, it did not matter. It just sliced through it like butter. It just went boom. But as you can see, there was a massive single print right here, right? Now you also have one here, but as you can see, it did fill it up. Okay, so you have this big move to the downside, and sometimes when you have a huge move either to the downside or to the upside, the charts would do the same, right? So now we had this massive move to the upside, which is amazing. If we look at this, right, from this bottom here to this top where we are right now, that is an 11% move. I mean, amazing, right? Huge profits on anyone that took that long. Now, from there, what are we looking at? As you can see, we are trading. Let me get this drawing tool. As you can see, we're here right now, right? We are from basically around that 41,600 area to around that 42,500 area, okay? We do have this resistance level right here, this Fibonacci, okay? And we need to break that first. If we can break through that level, then we have this huge resistance level right here around the 44,000 to 45,000 area. Okay, we do need to break this level in order to continue moving to the upside. If not, if we cannot break through here, then what will happen again is come and grab liquidity one more time, and then of course move back down to the downside. Okay, so you have to be really careful and really patient. Remember, when you take longs, you look for longs when you're at the bottom of major support. When you look for shorts, you look for major resistance at the top to look for shorts, okay? What happens is a lot of people are going to try to long here without confirmation, and then the price starts moving back down. As you can see, we already had a huge move up to the upside. So the long move, you already missed out, right? Now, of course, you can take intraday trades, like scope trades and stuff like that, where you can get in and get out, until this little range breaks, and then you'll be okay. But you need to have specific stop losses in place so you do not get caught up and end up getting liquidated if you use your leverage, or you're a big loss if you're holding spot, right? All right, so from there, that's all we have. It's really simple, really fast. I just wanted to cover this upside to the move. As you can see, I did tell you guys, hey, we're either gonna break to the upside from here, or we're gonna break to the downside from here, and it decided to move to the upside, which is amazing. Okay, now my targets are around this area right now, around that 44 to 45,000, because I can see there's a lot of resistance there. Okay, if we are able to break that, then yes, I can see ourselves moving back up to maybe the 48 to 50,000 area. And if we can hold above it and close candles above that, then we can start seeing each other seeing the 55 to 58,000 area, right? But until that happens, you cannot be thinking that we're going up, right? Right now, we do need to close above it, with high end candles, 1 hour and above candles, to make sure that we are getting a move to the upside. If not, we are going to come back, grab some liquidity, and drop back down. Okay, so I just want to give you a really quick short video here. All right, and I'll start looking into other stuff so you guys can have different videos. Let's look at the ES real fast. As you can see, the ES also had this massive move to the downside, right? And then it had this massive move to the upside. So it is working with Bitcoin hand in hand. Okay, so there you have it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. And as you can see, I also have a level here. Okay, and that is going to be around that 44,894, right? That's what I'm waiting for right now, trying to see if that's what's going to happen. And then you trade the charts. All right, just remember, when you're trading, you need to have a bullish and a bearish scenario, and you need to have your risk management in place. Okay, that's usually around a 1 to 2% loss in case your trade does fail, and you're looking for a 2 or above percentage in profits. All right, so if you're risking 1%, you want to make at least a 2% profit, right? So I hope that helps. Please remember to stay safe out there. I know there's a lot of stuff happening in the world right now. Yes, remember to love your family, stay together, enjoy each other, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you have any questions, just make sure that you comment below, subscribe to the channel if you're not a member, like the video, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, so take care, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, let the profits come to you.